Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your vlogging game in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best vlogging cameras that will take your content to the next level, whether you're a beginner or a pro. From crystal clear video quality to smooth stabilization, we've got all the top picks for you. And don't forget, if you're ready to grab one of these cameras, check out the links in the description below for the best deals. Let's get started! Number 5. Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30 marks a significant addition to Nikon's growing line of mirrorless cameras, specifically targeting content creators and vloggers who demand versatility and high-quality performance. This compact and lightweight camera is designed with a user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned photographers looking to expand their toolkit. Equipped with a 20.9mm APS-C sensor, the Z30 delivers stunning image quality with excellent low-light performance, making it ideal for capturing vibrant details in various lighting conditions. Its impressive ISO range allows for flexibility in different environments, ensuring that users can shoot confidently, whether it's bright daylight or dimly lit settings. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z30 is its capability to record 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, along with full HD recording at 120 FPS for smooth, slow-motion effects. This makes it an exceptional choice for vloggers who want to produce high-quality video content without the need for additional equipment. The camera also offers a fully articulating touchscreen display, which is perfect for framing shots during self-recording and allows for easy navigation of settings. Moreover, the Z30 includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, enabling seamless sharing and remote control capabilities through the Nikon SnapBridge app. Content creators can easily transfer images and videos to their smartphones for quick social media uploads or live streaming. Number 4. Sony ZV-E10 II. The Sony ZV-E10 II is a remarkable addition to Sony's line of mirrorless cameras, specifically designed with content creators in mind. Building on the success of its predecessor, this camera enhances the user experience with a range of upgraded features that cater to vloggers, influencers, and aspiring filmmakers alike. One of the standout attributes of the ZV-E10 II is its impressive 24.2MP APS-C sensor, which captures stunningly detailed images and vibrant colors, ensuring that your content stands out. The camera also supports 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, providing the clarity and professionalism that modern content demands. With the ability to shoot in various aspect ratios, including 16:9 and 1:1, it offers versatility for different social media platforms. The inclusion of a fully articulating touchscreen makes it incredibly user-friendly for selfie shooting and vlogging. This feature allows for easy framing and monitoring of your shots, making it simple to ensure that you're always in view. Additionally, the camera is equipped with advanced autofocus technology, featuring real-time eye autofocus for both humans and animals, which helps to keep subjects sharp and in focus, even during dynamic scenes. Number 3. Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a remarkable addition to Fujifilm's lineup, designed to cater to both photography enthusiasts and content creators alike. This mirrorless camera encapsulates a perfect blend of style, portability, and advanced technology, making it an ideal choice for those who want to capture stunning images and videos on the go. One of the standout features of the X-S20 is its advanced 26.1MP X-Trans CMOS-4 sensor, which delivers exceptional image quality with vivid colors and impressive dynamic range. This sensor, combined with the powerful X Processor 4, ensures fast and accurate autofocus, allowing users to capture fleeting moments with precision. The X-S20 also excels in video capabilities, supporting 4K recording at up to 30 frames per second and offering various film simulation modes that add a creative touch to your footage. Whether you're shooting vlogs, travel videos, or short films, the camera's versatility allows for a range of creative possibilities. In terms of design, the XS20 is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around for extended periods without sacrificing comfort. The intuitive control layout and a fully articulating touchscreen make it user-friendly. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix GH7. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 is poised to elevate the standards of mirrorless cameras, appealing particularly to both photography enthusiasts and professional videographers alike. Building on the legacy of its predecessors, the GH7 brings a host of impressive features that cater to the evolving needs of content creators in a dynamic landscape. One of the standout attributes of the Lumix GH7 is its enhanced video capabilities. With support for 4K recording at higher frame rates and improved dynamic range, this camera allows creators to capture stunning cinematic footage with remarkable detail and clarity. The inclusion of V-Log-L for color grading provides users with the flexibility to achieve a professional finish in post-production, making it an ideal choice for filmmakers seeking a compact powerhouse. The GH7 is also expected to feature a state-of-the-art image sensor that offers a significant boost in low-light performance, allowing for more versatility when shooting in challenging lighting conditions. Coupled with Panasonic's renowned Dual IS image stabilization technology, users can enjoy steadier shots even while on the move, reducing the need for bulky gimbals or stabilizers. In addition to its impressive video capabilities, the GH7 will likely include advanced autofocus systems that provide quick and accurate subject tracking, an essential feature for both photography and videography. Whether capturing fast-action sports or tranquil landscapes, the GH7 aims to ensure that every moment is captured with precision. Number 1. Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1 is a game-changing camera designed specifically for content creators and vloggers, making it an exciting addition to Sony's impressive lineup. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the ZV-E1 merges advanced video capabilities with user-friendly features that cater to the needs of both beginners and experienced filmmakers alike. At the heart of the ZV-E1 is a state-of-the-art full-frame sensor that delivers exceptional image quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. This sensor not only enhances low-light performance but also ensures stunning detail and vibrant colors, allowing creators to produce professional-grade content effortlessly. Paired with Sony's renowned autofocus technology, the ZV-E1 offers real-time eye tracking for both humans and animals, ensuring that your subjects remain sharp and in focus, no matter how dynamic the scene. In terms of video capabilities, the ZV-E1 stands out with its ability to shoot in 4K resolution at high frame rates, providing creators with the flexibility to capture smooth, cinematic footage. The camera also features advanced stabilization technology, which minimizes shake and jitter, resulting in fluid shots that look polished and professional. Additionally, the inclusion of various creative shooting modes, such as slow motion and time-lapse, allows users to experiment and express their creativity in unique ways.